So I found a moped shop and it's just outside our hotel, so I'll grab those while the other two are getting ready. We got some. Everyone's not been on it yet. That should be interesting. Hi.
Hi, you alright, Sam? I'm terrified that I'll drop a £300 camera.
Oh, don't drop it. There's a nice view, Em. Get that. Are you feeling safe on this bike?
No.
Right, so our first stop is going to be the giant golden Buddha. Just had a bit of a panic because we couldn't get the bike started. Phoned up the people at the shop and they said, do you have to have the kickstand up? So now it's running. And we're here. Got these crazy guys guarding the entrance. Joe, I think this tour needs some music.
Does it?
What do you reckon?
What kind of music? Aeroplane sounds? Or?
No, just some music. We'll do it. Ready? Emma, that's not what I said. You did it wrong. No. Don't do it now. Down the street. Yeah. The red light?
No, it's gone.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
So why does he have to do it there? You recording? Stop. 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 Okay, that'll do. Not yet. Now, all the way to the bottom. Look out so we can see you. Give us a wave. Can we see you? Brief stop at Mini C for a drink.
They're double cream.
No.
Basically, they don't like Oreos, and I think that it's like, I think they're stupid.
That's a big chili sauce. And more chilies.
Can I have some of yours? Please? Rocco!
I said ice lolly, of course it is. Not sure where we are, but halfway to Nathon Point. How are you?
A dinosaur!
Well done. Stop. Right, now I'm going to try to get all of us. Wave her through. Are you looking? Are you looking? Sorry, can you come? Yeah, she's coming now, look. Here. We've arrived. Armed with fish food. Are you going to give some?
No.
Why
I'm
not?
scared of fish.
There's a lot of fish in there.
Oh wow.
We've spotted a dead fish. He's there. I mean, you're doing it all wrong. You don't realise there's a technique.
That's a catfish. That's
They're all catfish.
There's a carp there. That's
You're doing it all wrong. Right, we're heading for the waterfall.
what you can hear is there's a mini waterfall there. A mini waterfall is also a waterfall, so don't be disappointed.
I think it must be this way, because look. Come. Oh no, thank you.
when you get back, then maybe call connection.
40 minutes uphill. Well, we better write off the happy hour.
Well, if you don't want to go up, don't go up.
Poor bird there with tails. We are in the wilderness. All these little shops remind me of Japan. Did we go to a waterfall in Japan?
No, that was the...
Marrakesh. Yes, it was the Torii Gates. Fushi Imari Shrine.
Yeah.
That's just cool. And of course there is a video for that. It's the Japan trip, and I think it's Fushimi Inari Shrine while we were in Kyoto. Is that right, Joe? Yeah, it's the day after the bamboo forest. That's a good video as well.
No, it isn't.
With the man with the flying disc in his hands, the flying ball in his hands.
You really got to watch his me being a diva.
Go on.
Don't watch them, don't listen to them, just watch me.
Well, Emma never appears in it because she doesn't want to. Oh, don't put that camera on me.
Yeah, because all you do is shove a camera in my face and say, act.
Come on, do something.
This is me.
You have to do some commentary, otherwise it's rubbish.
Screenshot me and send it to me. Sorry, that was important.
And do short ones and then stop it. Don't
Tell it to go away. This log is like, I'm small. Thanks to 2 people. There are people there.
This is the right way.
That's really funny. No. IDK if this is the right way, and I don't care if it's...
Now stop it again.
They're the same. This is going to be the best part of the video ever. Yo.
Doesn't look like a marked route. Back up we go.
Want me to take it?
Oh, look, yeah, there you go.
I'm special. I don't want to walk anymore. Getting boring. Am I slaying? are my double slay. If this video gets 5k likes, do you think I can ask PPP for a hoodie? Because that would actually slay. Also, like, when I was 6, I made a really cringe YouTube account called Emma's Like a Friend, so can you follow that? Because it's just amusing and I'm really cringe on it. If you see this video, you are like the one of the luckiest people in the world, because only about one person will see it, and that will be my dad.
Hey Emma, should we steal their clothes? You're too close to my face.
Exactly. He's not even this generation. He doesn't know what he's talking about. By the way, if you go to Thailand, put tanning, well, not tanning, put like factor 30 or 40 sun cream on so that you still get a tan, because I put factor 15 on and I didn't turn brown, I turned red, so don't do that.
Crossing the river. Then we got to go through there where it's... Oh, there's people up there. Where's she gone? There are no signposts, and you just got to assume we're climbing up there. I think we've made it. We're coming up.
Don't fall in, but do go and sit on that slope.
Oh dear, we've got to go down this cliff now. Oh, very safely done. I think it was worth it.
Yeah.
What are those guys doing over there? It looks a bit dubious.
He's going in. He's not jumping in. He's just going in gently. Yeah, that is good.
Going under, okay?
Okay.
Right.
Bye.
Yeah, come on.
He's gone. Pretended he jumped in. He's back.
What's it like?
Watery, wet. Ow, my sunburn.
Is it hot or cold?
Hot, which is weird. I also saw like a million YouTube videos on this place in lockdown.
Including this one.
No, because it's not lockdown.
Right up there. She's still going in there. And Miss Wet T-shirt 2025 is Emma.
Not just wet t-shirt.
Wet everything.
I'm gonna go home.
Wow. Emma, what's your issue?
My elephant trousers kind of like split open.
Oh dear.
Are you gonna get off? Because I can tell.
After a very frustrating experience booking a ferry, we're back out trying the Fisherman's Market again, seeing if it's actually got any street food tonight. Definitely a bit busier. Maybe it's us, but it's really hard to find this food market, but I think we've got it now. You can tell Joe's hungry, she's weaving in and out of everybody and I can't keep up. Oh.
So you're lucky you've not got chunks out your arm.
Oh yeah, this looks promising. Table. Yay. Got some cooked meat. Doing much better now. Got some beer. We found a seat. It looks like a bar because there's like some stuff about tables. Joe's got her prawn things. Joe's just been back and got some pad thai. It's got, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got loads of chili flakes on. Oh.
I want to break free.
I want to break free. She just started me off. I've got to break free.
Someone
Joe's now calling the shots.
Kamikaze.
Got a kamikaze. Emma, you're not having any. You've got your Coke.
I've not had
They won't give me mocktail.
probably for about 20 years.
Where at?
In the pickled onion
Where's the pickled onion?
in Bermuda.
Oh.
It's also the last time I went on a scooter, and I never thought I'd go on one again. But
Good fun today, wasn't it, on the scooter?
it was okay once we were going.
It's great the bit you walk in. Look at all these cocktail shops here. Fantastic. All 99 cents. What's that? £2.50 for quite a strong cocktail, I would say. This is the Bug Bar. Look, they got horrible things.
I said too much. It's enough. Wish how you are. I can live. Wish how you.
It's fun.
Oh, like a limestone cowboy. Now I got to get you to not lemonade more to Alice.
Alice! Who the fuck is Alice?
Stand back to Alice.